Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve some questions of AP. Question number 1. Write the first four terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given. So student, A equals to 4 and D equals to -3 given to us. We have to find the first four terms, student. So first term A is given to us, it is 4. Now second term A2, student, A plus D. Okay students, A value 4, D value -3. So answer is 1. It is A2. A3 equals to A plus D plus D. Means A plus 2D. 4 plus 2 or D value -3, student. 4 minus 6 -2. Now student, fourth term A4. So third term what? A plus D plus D. So for getting four terms, we have to add D again. Means A plus 3D. So 4 plus 3 into -3, D value -3, student. 4 minus 9, -5. So these are the first four terms. 4, 1, -2 and -5. So this is the method of getting the required number of terms when the first term and common difference are given to us. Now students, second kind question. For the following AP, write first term and the common difference. The sequence is given to us, student. It is an AP. We have to find out first term and the common difference. So student, first term A -11 given. D equals to, student, A2 minus A1. -8 minus -11. So -8 plus 11 equal to 3. So A equals to -11 and D equals to 3. Now student, third kind of questions. In these questions, we have to check the given situation forms an AP or not. So question, students, in the following situations, do the list of numbers involved form an AP? Give reasons for your answer. So first situation is given to us, student. The amount of money in the account of Varun at the end of every year when ₹1,000 is deposited at simple interest of 10% per annum. Now students, principal is given 1,000 and simple interest is given 10% per annum. We have to find out the sequence of amount, student. So let us find out simple interest. So simple interest formula, principal into rate into time upon 100. So principal is given 1,000, student. Rate is given to us 10%. Time we have taken 1 year. So interest equals to 1,000 into 10 into 1 upon 100. So 2 zeros will be cancelled. Answer is 100 100. So simple interest is ₹100 for 1 year. Students, you remember that simple interest is always same. For first year it is ₹100. For second year also it is ₹100. For third year also it is ₹100 because it is simple interest. Okay, so let us find the amount. Principal plus interest. Principal 1,000, student. Interest is ₹100. So add both of them, 1,100. So after 1 year, amount in the account, student, 1,100. So after 2 years, amount will be 1200 because 1100 principal, 1000 rupees deposited students. It is simple interest, and I told you that simple interest is always same. So that's why first year he got rupees 100 as interest, so total amount 1100. Second year again he will get rupees 100 as interest, so amount will be 1100 plus 100, 1200. Okay students, after 3 years 100 rupees we have to add, in 1200 1300. Then after 4 years amount 1400. So this is the sequence of amount student at the end of every year. So we have to check it is an AP or not. A2 minus A1, 1200 minus 1100, rupees 100. A3 minus A2, 1300 minus 1200, rupees 100. A4 minus A3, 1400 minus 1300, rupees 100. You can see students, difference is same, so we can say it forms an AP. Okay students, now next situation student, the number of bacteria in certain area after each second when they doubles in every second. Okay students, we have to check the number of bacteria after every second students. So let X is the initial number of bacteria in the area, then number of bacteria after 1 second. So it is given they doubles in every second students. So X multiplied by 2, double of X equal to 2X. Number of bacteria after 2 seconds, 2X into 2 equals to 4X. Okay students, double of 2X. Number of bacteria after 3 seconds, 4X into 2, 8X. So sequence of number of bacteria students, X, then 2X, then 4X, then 8X. Let us check this sequence is in AP or not. A2 minus A1, 2X minus X, X. A3 minus A2, 4X minus 2X, 2X. A4 minus A3 student, 8X minus 4X, 4X. You can see here the difference is not same. So it means it does not form an AP. Okay students? Okay then, have a nice day.